76 years old. I was concerned because everybody's telling me I might have to have a knee replacement, and I, quite frankly, really wasn't, after seeing all my friends that had knee replacements be in severe pain and with very little success, and they're still in pain. I decided to go the other route, which is a stem cell. And I think in 2015, I found RBI and made a decision to come up, try it out. And I played tennis 3 times a week, and at that time 4 times a week. And I had the stem cells done, and I played tennis for the next six years, and it's been a real success. And I enjoy the privilege of watching RBI grow to be such a successful company, and I look forward to the future with them.